This is project 3 in the shape unit, and this project deals with positive and negative shapes. The materials that you're going to need for this project are construction paper, which is 12 by 18 inches minimal, a pair of scissors, glue, and perhaps a marker if you choose to. So just as positive and negative parts of a battery work together, so do positive and negative shapes. So in this assignment, you're going to see how the positive shape affects the negative shape and vice versa.
Okay, I'm going to begin with a colored piece of construction paper. I've got a piece that is 12 by 18. I want to fold this paper into 8 equal parts. Next, you will need a piece. Each of these pieces are 4.5 inches by 6 inches. So if I take a piece and I want blue, I'll fold that in half. That's 4.5 by 6. Then I come up with my shape. My shape will be a double-edged arrow. So I'm going to cut that on the folded part. Cut this out. Make sure you cut on the folded edge of the paper. Cut and cut again. Okay, so now I have, this is my positive shape and this is my negative shape. Positive, negative. Next step, I want to cut this in half on the folded line. Cut here. And then also, there's my negative space. I will take the positive space. I will cut this in half also. And now what I have is a space that fits perfectly. So I'm going to take some glue. I'm going to glue the back. I'll set this on the edge. Then I'll take 1/2 of my positive space. I'll turn it over. Take my glue. And I'll put that where the other negative space would be. Okay, next I'll move up. I'll take my 1/2 of negative space. I'll glue this down. Try to match them up. That's why I like to put the lines in there so I'll know they're close to correct. Now I want to make sure I get glue on the correct side. So a little bit of glue. I'll line this up to where the other half of the negative space would be. And now I have an example of positive and negative space. If you want to change shapes, you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more spaces. Here's one where I did the double-edged arrow and free form, and straight edge. So you should have 4 different examples. Here's another. Different shapes, freeform, cloud-like, sunburst, positive, negative, space. Have a good time. I did.